Today we are playing Don't Press the Button 2.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
We can win this.
Did I just jump back into the
Boom!
I just jumped into the
We won.
I jumped into the Iris and
We
jumped
won.
into the
Okay.
Okay, this better be like what's the most expensive item?
I answered correctly.
What's the answer?
Just do it!
No!
It was speed coil.
Why would you tell me?
Because I'm not a cheater. I don't cheat.
Why can't you buy the money back? What are you gonna do with that thing? See, I feel like a jump coil should be the most effective.
Well, it wasn't an option. Wow.
I'm a baddie. Raw.
I did so many.
Somebody just fell off the edge.
No.
I'm gonna wait for everybody else to do the work.
Because I have a block right here.
Put it down!
Nope. I'm the first person.
Girl, you're the second.
No, I wasn't. Well, first is the worst, second is the best.
And third is the one with the hairy chest, which is me.
Oh, I'm scoring that move.
Why did
But,
I couldn't even get into the map. It wasn't letting me in.
how did he score the goal?
Speed coil. I'm gonna stop once the yellow light goes.
No, stop on the green.
Did bro keep on moving?
I can make it.
That was easy. Girl,
Only in
how?
2 fingers.
How? I feel bad for that one. Those two people. How did they?
Like, how do you die? You're so
Not on the same team.
It's the same teams. Why?
Because I deserve it.
It's us versus. Did I got him.
Now he's still. You're the Remember, I always put on the team with the bad guys.
Ooh. Jump call.
We'll never go down. I can't see you.
You're up there. No, I can't see anyone.
I can't see anyone.
Shine. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Guys, while we hit the ground. Guys, while we try to hit the ground, you guys can try and figure a way. So you guys can watch one of our other videos. Bye!
No. You already hit the ground, though. No, I all stupid.
He's stupid! They remember what happened last time.
Ugh.
If they don't remember what happened next time.
They have memory loss. They have amnesia.
Pink.
I have blue.
I have pink.
Pizza! I'ma get that corn and diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Anyway, so we're gonna play 3 more rounds and then go bye-bye.
Yeah. We're gonna go this. I hate this one. Wait, it started already?
Duh. There's already 3 players doing it right now. You're not gonna make it. 4 players made it.
Made it. but I'm not one of the 3 players.
Girl.
Girly how? Is that you?
Only 3 players. Bro, everyone got to the
Why
end.
is my name not there?
Oh.
I made it to the end.
Oh, well, your name was there. I saw it. I'm losing. I wish you just spam and click one button. Oh, sorry. Boom, 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 boom.
Bye.
Wait.
I'm right under you. Bye. Remember, we should just jump on the blocks that come. If the block comes out, we should just jump on it. Parkour.
Tell my, I mean, what?
As soon as we see a block come out, we jump on it. I'm so bad at parkour. Guys, this is why
My name is Skylar White, yo.
this is why we've never done an
My
audio on this
husband
channel, because I'm
Is
horrible.
Walter White, yo.
Girl, we go back.
Bam! I like it, yo. Dang it, this is the last. Well, bye-bye. That doesn't count. There's one more.
Yeah, that didn't count.
That ain't count either. This counts.
I'm gonna follow you.
Why?
You know the way out.
No, I don't. We gotta go.
We gotta go.
This. You're not gonna speak. Do not fall down in those holes, okay? Bye, everyone. We're just gonna wait until the timer goes off.
Bye.
Is this Burger HQ?
Dang.
They couldn't find a better name for it.
You should have called it Robloxian HQ.
Smooth.
Goodbye, y'all.
See you next time. If there is. See you next time.
Bye, y'all.
If there